Hello and welcome to my new video. Today I want to talk about the cryptocurrency Kusama and where we should trade it. First of all, of course, we need a trading provider. For that, I would recommend Binance. Binance is currently by far the most popular and cheapest trading provider on the market. This confirms the ranking of CoinMarketCap, as the trading volume is almost 10 times higher than the daily trading volume as second place. This mainly because Binance has a ridiculous cheap fee of 0.1% and offers the largest selection of cryptocurrency with the latest prices. If you do not have an account on Binance yet, or you are already registered but not yet verified, or you are already trading on Binance but have not yet created a futures account, you can still register with my link, first link in the video description, and save 10% on your trading fees for lifetime. Or you can just use the code shown here. How do we even sell our cryptocurrencies on Binance? This is also asked a lot, as surprisingly few people know how to sell their positions again. To do this, you have to enter your cryptocurrency on the standard Binance site, the normal homepage, exactly as if you wanted to buy them. I just enter ADA here. Here of course comes the first turning point. In which market do you want to trade or sell your position? Since where is the spot market and the futures area? In that case, I just go to the futures market. If you have your position on the spot market, you can simply choose your desired currency on the spot markets. Of course, you also can check your portfolio and click on your wished cryptocurrency trade to get there. When we are at the chart for our cryptocurrency that we want to sell, we already have our window to our position down here. Here we can simply click the Close All Positions button to close each individual trade. Or you can alternatively click on the Market button to close each one individually. Then you will also find the possibility to set a take profit or stop loss by limit. For this you can enter your desired amount, the rest will be done automatically. In the order history or trade history up, here you can see exactly how much fees you had to pay or how much profit you made. The same applies of course to the payout area, which you can also find right here next to the deposit button. The same applies here, you can pay out your desired fiat currencies once. This also usually happens within a few seconds to a maximum of 10 minutes. Or if you want to have your cryptocurrencies paid out or want to send them across trading platforms, you can of course do this as you wish. You just have to enter the correct address over here. Make sure that you choose the right wallet to receive for the respective cryptocurrency. There are also different transfer networks. Here I would always choose the Binance networks, as this usually only costs a few cents. Then you just have to select your desired amount below, correct and make sure that everything is right, and then you can send your coins. I hope I was able to help you, and I would be very happy about a like or subscription. If you have any questions at all, just get in touch in the comments below.